Good morning everyone. Today we will see about the topic is case study on shaft failure. Okay. First, what is shaft? The shaft is one of the mechanical element which is mainly used to transmit the rotating power or rotating energy from one area to another area. Okay. Can anyone say the types of this shaft?
Sir, so based on the usage, shafts are commonly have three types. First one is the transmission shaft. So the transmission shaft we use in the transmission systems of the automobiles. So basically, when we shift the gear, the transmission shaft converts the gear, the motion energy in the gear from one gear to another. So first is the transmission shaft. Second one is the machine shaft, which is used which we use as crankshaft in engines, like in internal combustion engines. We use in the crankshaft. So that is the second type of shaft, which is the machine shaft. Yeah. So the third one is the axis. So when we turn the steering in like in cars and the trucks, so it converts the rotational motion to the wheels. So we use in the axis. So
these are the majorly three types.
yes, sir.
Okay. Can you say the application of the shaft?
So I will tell all of us the application of shaft. So basically we are using this shaft in like the power transmission mainly. So if we want to transmit power from an engine to any working appliances like pumps and compressor, we use the shaft to transmit power from one area to another. So the second is the automotive industries. So where we are using it in crankshaft for piston, for the movement of piston, and we are generating it. We are using a shaft. So for camshaft, it is used to like the working model of the inlet valve and exlet valve. And in
home applications.
Yes, in home application like mixie and grinders, we are using shaft. And in like major electrical, like in electrical audio, like shaft is.
So these are the major applications of the shaft. Next is the main area, the case study. So the shaft failure.
Yes, sir. Now I'll say the main top 5 reasons, most common reasons.
5 reasons.
Yeah, most common reasons in the shaft failure. First one is the fatigue failure. So what is fatigue failure? Fatigue failure is nothing but the repeated cyclic stress in the shaft leads to the fatigue failure. Okay, and second one is the overloading. Giving the stress beyond the design capacity leads to the overloading. And third one is due to the corrosion attack. Chemical attack on the shaft leads to the reduction of material strength. So reduction in the material strength leads to the less efficiency. So corrosion is one of the important factor. And fourth one is due to the lubrication. So in shaft we need to give the enough lubrication, because if we didn't give the enough lubrication, the shaft which is nothing but contact between two metals. So if we give lubrication, the flow will be smooth and the operation will be good and nice. So these are the top 5 most important failures in the shaft.
Failure is for shaft.
Yeah.
Can you say the remedies of the
I'm going to say about remedies to avoid shaft failure. Use proper alignment in a couplings and shafts. Then you need to avoid strength and correctness. Like while you are using in a shaft or coupling, we need to place that shafts and couplings in a proper alignment. Then you need to check once in a while about the regular inspection and the maintenance, including like material corrosion, material corrosion and vibrations. Like we need to check once in a while to know about the shaft and couplings, whether they are like overheating or corrosion resistance. We need to know about once in a while. That will help us to reduce the shaft corrosion.
Yeah. So these are the points for remedies for
shaft failure.
Can anyone consolidate the points? What is shaft and also what is a failure? How to remedies?
So I would like to conclude as shaft has been recognized as one of the major part of mechanical system, but shaft failure has been one of the major issue in mechanical system, as it leads to hazards, breakdown and very cost downtime. So like the main reasons of this shaft failure is fatigue, improper adjustment, misalignment, and many other reasons that comes with poor lubrications and
proper alignment.
But the remedies could be proper lubrications. It could be the good use of material, good choosing of actual material that would be help. They have to be the correct installations of everything could be there. So if we utilize and understand the fatigue failure, like all the failures of a shaft,
then we can give the actual remedies for that, and it will be implemented to the shaft failure, and at last it could give a very shaft life very nice.
Okay, good. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.